Welcome to Northstar Kia, your most trusted new and pre-owned automotive dealership located at 46-05 Northern Boulevard, Queens. Introducing the brand new 2023 Kia Telluride S in the stunning glacial white pearl finish. The Telluride S combines ruggedness with refinement, offering a perfect balance of style and versatility. With its spacious cabin and comfortable seating for up to 8 passengers, it is designed to accommodate your family and adventures. The S model boasts a range of impressive features, including a touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay/Android Auto integration, and advanced driver assistance systems for enhanced safety. The exterior showcases a bold grille, distinctive LED headlights, and sleek lines that exude confidence and sophistication. Embrace the spirit of adventure with the 2023 Kia Telluride S in glacial white pearl, a remarkable SUV that exceeds expectations. Come by Northstar and enjoy a relaxed test drive experience. Our friendly staff is here to assist you in finding the perfect vehicle that suits you. Unlocking possibilities, delivering quality, only at Northstar Kia, your premier destination for new and used cars.